All right, hello, fifth graders. This is the second day of our snapshot assessment for math for the module 2 review. This is a lot of older stuff that should be pretty familiar to you. It is a lot of review on place value, and if it doesn't immediately come back to you, don't worry. I'm sure that your memory will get jogged. So just stay along with me. Before we start, I would like to have you make a place value chart somewhere on your paper. To make mine right here. This will help us in this lesson. So here goes the decimal point. Ones place. Tens place. Hundreds place. Thousands place. 10,000s. If you have room, you can add your 100,000s. Here's tenths, hundredths, and thousands. All right, let's get started. A number has an 8 in the 10,000s place. So let's put it. If you multiply the number by 10, where will the 8 be in the product? All right, multiplication means the number is getting bigger, which means that the number needs to be moving this way. If it's 10, it has 1 0, means it's moving one spot over. So it is now going to be in the hundreds thousands place. Meaning the new number is 800,000, and 8 will be in the hundreds thousand place. All right, great job. Mentally calculate, mentally in your head. All right, I know that 10 to the 6, I know it looks a little bit different there. 10 to the 6 like this means 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10, which means that there will be 6 zeros or 6 place values filled with zeros. So, my 4. I also know that I could get the same answer if I have my 4 here and I move back 6 places. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whichever strategy works for you, and I can fill those all in with zeros. That's not where the decimal is anymore. 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. 4 million. All right, let's move on to the next one. Mentally calculate. Let's make sure we're saying these numbers correctly. 23 and 4 tenths divided by 10 to the second. Remember, you're normally going to see it like that. All right, divided by means that the number is going to be getting smaller, meaning my decimal needs to move that way. And it is 10 to the second, means there are to be 2 zeros. Other way of saying this would be divided by 100. Meaning I need to move my decimal point 2 places. 1, 2. Decimal's no longer there. It is now in front of the 2. Let's put my 0 there for some play. Make it clear. And 234 thousandths. All right. Great job. Next one. Look at Jim Bob's solution above. Is Jim Bob correct? Explain why or why not. It's going to be the important part. All right. Well, let's just try to do this problem on our own. 34 hundredths times 10 to the 4th. Since we're multiplying, the decimal point's going to go that big that way because the number needs to get bigger, and it's going to go 4 places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Decimal is no longer there to fill these both in with zeros. So it is 3,400. Do you see how that is not, it's not the same as 34 1,000. So the answer is, oops, no. Let's write that down. No. The answer is he solved for. Let's try to figure out what he solved for. Since he had an extra 0, extra place value, he solved for 2 times 10 to the 5th, because he had an extra 0. All right, great job, you guys. Keep up the great work. I have seen a lot of really great work from a lot of people in my class and in office hours, and I know all the other teachers have. So we've seen you've been doing really great work. Keep it up. I'm proud of you all.